Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox RS. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below for more car content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we have the key. You have your lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate, and panic button features. You can see up front on the Equinox RS, we have our turn signals down below. We have these nice LED accented headlights, black grille with the black Chevrolet bow tie. You can also see your front camera right here for the 360 vision. RS badging up front. We also do have the little circles in the front bumper for your parking sensors. But really nice sporty looking front end. Moving around to the wheels, they're finished in kind of a very dark gray, wrapped in hand-cooked tires. These are 19-inch wheels. Same size all the way around. Black Equinox badging on the side. You also do have black trim around the windows. Black trim up top for your roof racks. And you also do have keyless entry on this vehicle. So if you push this button right here, it'll either lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket, as you can see there. Same 19-inch wheels in the back. Moving around to the rear, you can see we have our RS badging, black Chevrolet bow tie, and the black Equinox badging in the rear. Now you can open up the tailgate with either the key. All you have to do is hit that tailgate button twice, or you can reach underneath, hit that button right here, and it'll open up nice and easy for you. Storage space in the back is very good, as you can see here. You also do have a little bit more underneath, so if you lift this up, you have a little hidden storage compartment right there. With the second row down, as you can see, you have a ton of storage space inside of here. We'll go ahead and put those back up. Take a look at the second row. So second row seating is finished in full leather with red stitching all the way around. If you want to lower these seats, you can press this button right here and it'll lower it right down for you. Or you can go to the back and there's two little levers back here. So you have these levers. This one will lower the right side and then this other one will lower the left side. So super convenient, so you don't have to go up here and pull them down and up over and over again. But in the second row, we have pretty good space back here. I'm about 6 foot tall. This is my leg room, and we have a ton of headroom in this vehicle. This is about eye level for me. So lots of headroom in here. You also do have your lights and handle on the side. Storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. 2 AC vents, 2 phone hookups, and you also do have a 3-prong outlet all the way down at the bottom. 2 cup holders in the center. A pretty nice second row. Very comfortable seats with that leather finish. Same styling on the door, the black with the red stitching. You do kind of have a cup holder on the side and a little storage up top. But if you want to lower this tailgate, you can either use the key or push this button and it'll drop right down for you. Here's your gas fill up. It does have the capless gas fill system, so no need to twist the cap off or anything. Same styling up front. You can see we have the black with the red stitching. All of our window controls and mirror controls in one place. You also do have your lock and unlock and your door opening lever. You can open the tailgate with this button, so if you push that, it'll open the tailgate up for you. You also do have 3/4 or max, so you can lower it even more. Or I'm sorry, raise it even more. And if you push that button, it'll close it back for you. Power driver's seat, you can move it forwards, backwards. You can raise the lower portion, drop the lower portion, lower the seat down, or recline it backwards and forwards. You also do have lumbar right there in the middle of the back. Let's hop inside, we'll start it up. Put our foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. So as you can see here, we do have our lane keep assist that we can turn on or off. Heated steering wheel. We do have our forward collision adjustments. So you can have a 3-car, 2-car, or 1-car length. All of our cruise control buttons in one place. We do have hands-free voice commands. We can drop our calls. We can also navigate the center menu. You can go left, right, up, down, or hit enter. Now in this screen right here, we do have our home screen where you can see the miles per hour and how much gas range you have. In the information, we have our miles per hour, trip distance, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, air filter life, our average speed, and a timer. We also do have audio, navigation, phone, and settings. Behind the steering wheel on the right side, you can turn the volume either up or down. And on the left side, you can scroll through your presets, so you can go up or down through your presets. You can turn up or down the brightness of the center screen. You do have automatic light controls, as you can see there. Here's our shifter. So if you want to shift, you just press this button up top. You can pull back for reverse. You can also see we do have the 360 camera system, so you can see in front of you, behind you. You have a zoomed in back view, zoomed in front. See the front tires, you can see the back tires. You can also see the tow hitch, if equipped, and you can also turn the surround vision on or off. You can also pull back for neutral, drive, and L mode. When you're in L mode, you can shift up or down through the gears, so you can go up gears or down gears while in L mode. Then you just push all the way up for park. You do have an electronic parking brake, so with your foot on the brake, you can pull up to activate that. As you can see, it's activated, and same thing to deactivate. Push down with your foot on the brake, and it'll cut right off for you. We can turn on or off our front and back parking sensors. We do have 2 cup holders, a little storage right here in the middle, and we can open up the center console. As you can see, we have a couple USBs and even more storage space. Down here in the center, we have more storage, SD card for navigation, USB-C, USB, aux, and a cigarette lighter port. We do have dual zone climate in this vehicle, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. We also do have heated seats on the driver and passenger side. We do have automatic stop start that you can cut on or off. We have our hazards, and we also do have our touchscreen. So with the touchscreen, we have our home button. You can seek backwards or forwards through your music, turn the volume up or down, mute or unmute, and you can also go back. All of our apps is our audio, which is going to be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. We have our phones, Wi-Fi hotspot, users, settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and our apps. Excuse me. We also do have our cameras where you can see the 360 view, Sirius XM, OnStar, and the My Chevrolet app. Here's our rear view mirror. We have all of our OnStar buttons. We have our map lights. And we do have a sunglasses holder. We also do have this giant moonroof. So if you want to open up that the shade, you just push on this to open it up. You can also open up the sunroof by pushing this button. But it opens up really wide. You have a ton of open air feeling in this vehicle, and you can also close it back. Now if you want to close that shade, you just press the opposite side, and that'll close all the way up for you. Same seating arrangement up front. You do have the black leather seats with the red stitching. We also do have Bose audio in this vehicle. We also have our glove box with plenty of storage space. And same black with red stitching in the dashboard as well. But really nice, sporty looking interior. A lot of cool features inside of here. We'll also hop out and take one last look at the outside while the vehicle is running. But make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the 2024 Chevrolet Equinox RS. Really nice looking SUV. Tons of great features on it. I'll also show you guys the window sticker as well, so you know how much the vehicle costs and what equipment is on this one. So moving to the window sticker, like I said, this is a 2024 Chevrolet Equinox RS front wheel drive, Summit white with a jet black interior. This has a 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the RS is $30,950. This one has all of these packages on it. So a destination charge comes out to $36,620. With that 1.5 liter turbo 4-cylinder, you're going to get 28 miles per gallon combined, 26 city and 31 highway. Now here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But that's it for now, guys. If you guys enjoyed taking a look at this vehicle, make sure you hit the like button down below. Also subscribe down for more car content. You're also going to see a few videos in the corners here. If you guys see any cars that interest you, make sure you click on them and check those out as well. But that's it for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a nice day.